Good afternoon. This afternoon we are going to look at what role, if any, should extractive industries such as mining, oil, and so on, gas, play in the fight against HIV and AIDS. Both practical experience and formal research of the kind that is going to be presented this afternoon indicate a very close correlation between HIV prevalence and these extractive industries, such as mining, the extraction of gas or oil, or gold, or diamonds on land. And it's not surprising, it's common sense that in our countries, especially in sub-Saharan Africa, including and especially Southern and Eastern Africa, these activities, that is extractive activities, and the infrastructure constructed to facilitate them create much needed jobs. And these jobs are quickly taken up by men, leaving their families at home and going ahead to the place of employment. And therefore, you can see why later, as the settlement around the extractive industry grows, HIV prevalence can be high. In the case of my country, there is in fact a mining town called Silibe Pikwe. Not only did it present a challenge during the time when we were fighting the virus for the first time, to this day, that town remains has the highest prevalence nationally. And the other mining towns too. But as I say, that's a practical observation, which everybody can know. The data, we have the data to show that that is the case. But what I'm saying is that it's actually common sense that why that should be the case. Because mining, mostly, it's men who go to work. And they go there without their families and for a long time. And so I think issues of gender, the role of women, the role of men arise. And therefore, these issues are going to be investigated, or they are going to be reported upon, the relationships between, the correlation between extractive industries and HIV prevalence, and also the questions, the related questions that arise of gender issues also associated with these industries. So I think without much ado, I am going to let my co-chairperson introduce our speakers who are going to deal with these matters in some detail, but which, as I say, are evident even from a casual observation. I think I don't have to do much more than that. Thank you.